Rest of the team connect, you know. This is Miranda Suarez.
I know you love me, everybody. I'm your favorite.
In a Eurotown, you know.
Yes, Port Royal, you don't know. Welcome to Kingston 1, everybody. The crew is out, all of the sexy ladies. Look at Celine, Tonian, Izimi, and Jisoo come out, aka Bubbles, the one and only. Jisoo on my best friend, you know. No, watch and see what one. Watch it.
Oh,
Hello.
are you me talk to about?
I know you.
Totally spit. Watch your face. That's
Nice to meet you.
oh, the freshers.
I like your character.
People in my meet for the first time.
She's very poised. Yeah, and she's very nice.
And them similar in our show too, you know.
Yeah. The one and only. In person, she looks really hard. Yes, I can see that.
Yeah, in person for sure.
Come guys.
They have our own rubbings there, and you can come and have a drink.
Oh, run us up.
We have a very nice game share in Port Royal. When we walk around, there's some tasting that mirror. There's a lot of nice things for you to sign on the blacklist. So there's all the pirates and
So the active now.
active now, but I think they're closed right now.
Cannon Street.
Yes, very
Yeah, history, you know. Mm.
shop right there. His name is Dogface.
Hey! My name Dog Face.
He got Dogface.
Shop there right there. So the shop over there.
So cute. Hey, yo, me just big it up, my G. Me just big up your shop. Is it me? I will make them know, say, I one of the best.
One Dog Face, yeah?
One Dogface.
Never two.
Yeah.
Hey, history load out here, you know.
You need to find somewhere where have the conversation between the crop, you know? And then this city, this similar as well. Years or so, you can hear your conversation, but if the microphone now work well, so when you actually having the conversation, it's distorted. I could just walk a little bit more.
Are you okay? Alright. No more beers, alright? But then I want.
Take Peter for counselor.
No.
Right now, how it look.
Councillor Pep.
Yeah, when you see somebody can just tell a youth, say, here man, say, no more beers today.
Yeah.
Let's go get some water.
And them say yeah?
Respect.
Once them say yeah?
Sure. And one Peter will say.
Yeah, man.
See?
Councillor Pep. Yeah,
Counselor
man.
Pep. Yeah.
You know, you feel it. You do it now.
Look how you walk with your own.
So, all what caused the giddy movement?
Well, there's a house where half of it sink.
So you have a downhill part.
No, part of it, like half of it, under the earth.
Oh.
So when you walk in, your whole body, you walk in this way. So
Oh.
that's why they call it Giddy House.
And it is said that Michael Jackson's famous moonwalk originated when he visited Jamaica and
Really?
Oh, that tilt something there.
when he
Wow.
came here.
You hear that?
Oh.
History.
So what did they say?
Oh, this is where this is a part of the old hospital. I think this is where then they have like
Waiting area.
lab bar
Oh, lab.
something. I don't remember. Oh my god, and I'm a tour guide.
And over there, so,
Yeah, it's supposed to. It's connected to the hospital though.
yeah, and over there, so it's the old hospital.
Strongest.
The strongest building in Port Royal.
Wow. So these are the old hospital and the strongest building in Port Royal. Okay. Alright, so Pep, you did say they did say something about something run under the
Oh, a part of the old Lime Street from the old piece of Port Royal runs across the football field here. Yeah.
straight
So
cross.
they don't want to do anything, any construction or anything like that. So it's kind of protected by the Heritage Trust. So we use it for football and it's on this sign there. The Sunken City.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like the year,
So it's 1692.
the year of the turbo. This point, 2,500 enslaved Africans, all living in approximately 2,000 houses. Many of the houses were quite luxurious. Many were constructed of brick and reached up to 4 stories tall. Most of the large warehouses and the finest homes were located along the harbor. Many shops and humble dwellings had been constructed among these larger houses. There were a large number of taverns and shops, numerous public buildings, an Anglican church, a Jewish synagogue, and a Quaker meeting room. In addition, several forts and batteries were built around the perimeter of the town. On the morning of June 7, 1692, a series of 3 devastating tremors, which each worse than the one before, destroyed the town and plunged 33 acres of land, along with many homes and people, into the sea, leaving only an 18-acre area above water as a small island cut off from the rest of the spit. All the wharves fell into 40 or 50 feet of water and were followed by the houses on the streets as far back as Jew Street. A terrible wave of water followed the quake to fill the vacuum left by the land. Fort Charles was damaged, while Fort James, Fort Rupert, and Fort Carlisle all disappeared beneath the sea. Some 4,000 people eventually died from the quake, the subsequent tsunami, and the chaos that followed.
History class.
Wow.
History, but it's scary.
Yeah, history, but it's very scary.
Numbers, I wanna hear about them get to it.
Yo, my lad. Yo. Hold on.
Forget the assignment.
Whoa.
Go pack up and go.
No more $1,000. A large number of precious artifacts, among which are the 16th and 17th century coins, household articles, pewter, ceramic, and glass that are now protected by the National Museum of Jamaica. This gives us an invaluable snapshot of life in the 17th century Port Royal. Also discovered were the remains of fish and meat markets, 2 taverns, 3 shops, and numerous dwellings with brick foundation.
Wow.
4,000 people is a lot, you know.
Well, it was-
We'll leave that
Most of
man.
them still and to hear them crying
Crying
while
until
going
you-
under, it must have been traumatizing.
Yeah.
Imagine it in your bed and you just get swallowed by the earth.
Alright. What we filming?
Oh, wow.
Listen.